Today we will be discussing some of the best foods to eat if you're over 50. As we age, our bodies go through changes and we may experience a lack of energy, forgetfulness and longer recovery times from injuries. These are all signals that it's time to make changes to our diet. Eating a healthy diet can improve our quality of life, keep us energized and reduce the risk of diseases like heart disease and diabetes, which are common among older adults. So what does a healthy diet look like for someone over 50? Let's take a look at some of the best foods to incorporate into your diet. Number 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious root vegetable that can help fight aging. They are rich in beta-carotene, a type of antioxidant that can protect the body against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming a diet high in beta-carotene was associated with a decreased risk of cognitive decline in older adults. The next food is chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, a versatile legume that can be used in a variety of dishes. They are a great source of protein, fiber and other nutrients that are important for maintaining good health as we age. As well as that, they are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect the body against aging and disease. This is supported by a study published in the Journal of Nutrients that found consuming chickpeas was associated with improved blood sugar control and reduced inflammation in older adults. The third food is broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is known for its numerous health benefits. It is high in vitamins, minerals and other nutrients that are important for maintaining good health. Additionally, it contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming broccoli sprouts, which are even higher in sulforaphane than mature broccoli, was associated with improved cognitive function in older adults. Fourth food is avocados, which are delicious and nutritious and are rich in healthy fats, fiber and other important nutrients. But that's not it. They are also a great source of antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help protect the body against damage from free radicals. A study published in the Journal of Nutrients also found that consuming avocados was associated with improved cardiovascular health and the lower risk of metabolic syndrome in older adults. Another food is ginger. Ginger is a spice that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains several bioactive compounds, including gingerol, that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A study published in the Journal of Aging found that supplementing with ginger extract improves cognitive function and reduced oxidative stress in middle-aged and older adults. The sixth food is cauliflower, which is a cruciferous vegetable that is similar to broccoli in its nutritional profile. It is high in fiber, vitamins, minerals and other important nutrients. It also contains compounds called glucosinolates, which can help protect the body against cancer and other diseases. A study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that consuming a diet high in cruciferous vegetables, including cauliflower, was associated with a decreased risk of cognitive decline in older adults. So there you have it. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and comment below of your favorite foods that you like to eat.